In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can uninstall WPS Office from your PC. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, whether you don't use WPS Office anymore or you just want to remove it for, any other reason, this process overall is super quick and easy. Just make sure first that you do have WPS Office closed and go ahead and click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Control Panel and open it up. Now, up in the top right corner, what you're going to want to do is hit View By and then select Large Options rather than Category or Small Icons. So select Large Icons and scroll down here until you see the option for Programs and Features and open it up. Once you open this up, in the top right, you're going to see a little search bar. Go ahead and type in WPS and hit Enter. And you're going to see WPS Office in this list. Now, I've actually already uninstalled mine, so let's just go ahead and pretend that this Bonjour app right here, which is an Apple app, is the exact same thing, just for the sake of this video. Essentially, find WPS on here, right-click it, and then you're going to see an uninstall or change option on here. Go ahead and select that, and a Windows security pop-up will appear. Just hit yes to continue, and then select uninstall down in the bottom right corner. And if you are asked whether you plan on reinstalling WP Office, choose no if you want it fully removed, and then select the option to clear data. Click OK, wait for the installation to finish, and once it does close, WPS Office has been officially removed from your computer or laptop. It really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.